Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my process today for developing software using AI. And for doing this, I am going to be using a particular program called Playground GPT, which is basically a place where you can interface and chat with OpenAI's ChatGPT. It uses your particular API keys, but it allows you to have permanent access to GPT-4 without any rate limits coming up, as you do get sometimes when you use the ChatGPT on the web. So this is my software here, Playground GPT, and I made this software. I haven't made it publicly available, but I'm considering it. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, but let me know in the comments if you're interested, if anyone's interested in getting their hands on this particular piece of software. Okay, so today I'm going to make a Windows app. I'm going to use Windows Foundation Platform, and I'm going to create a simple Hello World app that takes two numbers and you click a button and it adds them together. Okay, so for starters, I click here to add a new tab, which starts a new chat window. So you can add as many as you want, so you can have multiple chats going on at once, but I'm just going to need the one here. And so I begin. I say something like, I'd like to make a Windows WFP application in C# that is a Hello World app. It will have three text fields. The first two will be the inputs, and the third one will be the output. This will work by adding the two numbers input in the first two text fields and display the result in the third text field. There should be a button that simply says compute. So now I press Control Enter and I submit. And let's see what chat says. Sure, I can guide you through that. Okay, so it's giving me some XAML code. Let me make this bigger so people can see it better. Okay, so this is how straightforward it is. So I'm going to go in Open Visual Studio and I'm going to create a new project, and WPF application in C# is what I'm going to choose, and click Next. Going to give it a name. We're going to call it Test Hello World. Next. .NET 7 standard, yes. Create. Okay, so we have our basic main window here, and I'm going to go back to my chat here. And I'm going to begin by grabbing this code here. I don't want to grab the header because it's using a different class name. I just want to catch the stuff in the grid here. So I'm going to go there and put the grid in between here and here and paste that. I don't even know what it looks like yet. Okay, so it's got text number 1, text number 2, nice and big, tall. All right, chat. And then here's text number 3. So, and now if I run this, as is, there were build errors. What? Let's see here. What are the build errors? How could there be build errors? I don't have any code. I don't have a button click in there because then I've defined it here. Right here is where I have defined the button click. So I need to grab my code here. So I'm going to grab everything here. We need the click handler. I'm going to go over to my main Windows XAML, C#, replace everything in it. Oops, it used, no, I can't do that because it's changing the namespace. We'll take that into there. And then everything inside the namespace, I will grab here. Window, yes, that's right. Paste this. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, so I'm going to put 25 in here, or 35 in here, and 45 in here, and click compute. And there we go. It adds them together. 80. Very simple app. This is the intro to a series that I'm going to do, showing the way to use chat to do software development. It's pretty exciting. It's a lot of fun. And it's not usually as straightforward as this. Chat just doesn't normally give you fully working apps. You've got to do some massaging yourself. But just for this example here, this is a Hello World application, and we can see that it's really, really easy to use a GPT tool to generate the code and create a Windows Foundation platform application. Stay tuned for next time. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.